investors, Adam Ross here at Integritas Property Group, and we are back with another update at our fantastic development, the Lyceum in Manchester. So as always with these development updates, we'll split them into two parts. First of all, we'll talk about the construction and where we're up to, and we'll finish on the sales. So we're at a really important milestone for the development now. We're very close to moving on to our next stages. So there's a list of works that we're going to be moving on to. Pad foundations, the structural steel is going to be erected, concrete floor slabs are going to be poured to each floor, and the list goes on. We're very close to moving on to those next stages. It's a very exciting time for IPG and our investors on the Lyceum. Okay, so where are we up to with the sales? So the sales have gone extremely well. I am very happy to announce that we are fully sold out now at the Lyceum. All 82 apartments are now sold. We no longer have any for sale. It's been a great success. And thank you so much to all our investors that have invested so far. So that's it from us today. Thank you so much for watching this update. We're really looking forward to giving you our next update in 4 weeks' time, where we're going to see some real changes on site and some real movement. For any more information on this project, as always, contact us or any of our agent partners. But thank you again and take care.